The OEM bed mat on my 2025 Toyota Tacoma Trail Hunter slid around like a hockey puck during a car wash. And the cheap Amazon tailgate mat I bought, it looks like I super glued a rubber shower mat to my tailgate. Tacoma owners, you deserve better. Toyota's OEM bed mat looks decent at first, but here's what happens when you actually use it. It moves a lot. This car wash test proves it. If you have bad weather and it's not weighed down, it might end up down the road somewhere.
If you actually use your truck bed, tools, gear, overlanding, the OEM bed mat just isn't going to cut it.
I added this Amazon tailgate mat thinking I'd save a few bucks. Yes, it technically protects the tailgate, but it looks awful. Doesn't match the shape, overlaps weirdly, and just makes the truck look cheap. I was actually embarrassed by it. Material's okay, but the fit? Atrocious. This is the Lastfit heavy duty bed mat, made specifically for the 2024 and 2025 Toyota Tacoma. No trimming, no sliding, just a perfect fit. If you have bed stiffeners, hey, it fits. It's molded with laser precision, durable, anti-slip, waterproof, and designed for harsh temps. With the Lastfit installed, zero movement. I tested it through a wash and trail runs. The anti-slip ridges actually work. Cargo stays planted. And unlike the OEM bed mat, I don't have water, mud, dirt, grime getting under the bed mat now. And what about the Lastfit tailgate mat? It's on another level compared to what I had before. It contours perfectly to the tailgate, almost like a protective shield, and creates a seamless transition from the truck bed to the tailgate. Honestly, this is how Toyota should have designed it from the factory. Let me walk you through the install and show you the simple tools you'll need. You're going to need a ratchet with an extension, T55, T40, and T30 torque socket, a knife, drill, a 1/2 inch and a 13/64 drill bit, and I recommend an impact wrench and a cold drink.
I just had to power wash my truck bed. It was so dirty underneath that OEM bed mat, I had to literally get in here and scrub it after I power washed it. I want you to come over here and look at the OEM bed mat. I took it out and I power washed it. But look, it is still dirty. Look at that. We're going to undo these bolts one at a time, because the last thing you want to do is get your bed out of alignment. You can see on this bed liner, compared to the OEM, these curves, they have really thought this through. So it's not going to be dirty anymore underneath the bed mat with the Lastfit compared to the OEM. Let's go ahead and just undo this one back here. Essentially, what we're going to do is we're going to be drilling a hole through this, doing it one at a time, and then you'll hand tighten this on, and then you'll come back around and torque it up. All right, we're going to start at the front, work our way back, one at a time so you don't get your bed out of alignment. Let's do this. First thing, I pulled my Rotopax gas can off the bed to make the install easy. Next, line up the Lastfit liner and drill dead center into the factory perforations. Now remove the bolts with a T55 torque socket. Take them out one at a time, don't rush it. Push each bolt through the liner, hand tighten to hold it in place, then go back with your ratchet to snug them down. If you have an impact wrench, use it as necessary, but don't over torque it. And we'll just move from the front to the back, taking our time, one bolt at a time. Let's go ahead and drill that one. Let's put it dead center. We use the electric ratchet to get it off up front, but this should make it a lot easier just to get off. So let's go ahead and just get this one off, and we'll secure this one, then we'll come back here and do these. Much easier. All right, let's go ahead and push this through. Let's get this started. so we don't cross thread. Okay, let's go ahead and take this one out. That is going to be a T40. And if you're wondering, yes, this does work with bed stiffeners. Let's go ahead and just push that on through and push that on down. Let's finish this up. There we go. There we go.
And the storage lid, it fits perfectly. Okay, so we are going to need a T30 torque socket to remove these screws back here from the tailgate. Right off the bat, I can feel the difference. But let's just lay this down and compare it. Okay, yeah, I can see a difference already. I mean, I know I'd see that I'm gonna have to drill some holes here. That's no big deal. But the material itself is a lot better. Let's get this installed. We're going to start by removing these and take off this existing liner. All right, we can take this mat off. Looks like it got a little dirty under there too. So we'll go ahead and clean that up. But while we have it off, let's just do a comparison between Lastfit. So this is the cheap Amazon one. This is Lastfit. I can tell right now that this is a cheaper material and this is high quality from Lastfit. It's got the weave pattern here. Take this old one and trash it. So this is a 1364 drill bit and you want it just a little bit smaller than the screw itself. So that's perfect for this. And I'm going to do this side over here. Then we'll go into speed mode and we'll just finish it out. But I can already tell this is laying better than that thing. All right, so let's drill a hole dead center. There we go. Now we can put it in. Then just rinse and repeat and make your way down to the other side. Just take your time and then start putting the screws in and then start tightening up. Just work your way down. All right, we're going to take advantage of the Trailhunter's 2400 watt inverter. We're going to use a heat gun. So we're going to come over here and turn on the AC 120. And we are going to get these outer edges. I can already tell this one is better than that old one because this is laying down almost perfectly. You could use a heat gun or you could just leave it out in the sun for a little while. I'm going to use a heat gun. Okay, verdict time. OEM mat slides everywhere. Amazon tailgate mat protects but looks cheap. LasFit bed and tailgate liners, perfect fit, no sliding, clean look, and rugged performance, and it works with bed stiffeners. If you're serious about your Tacoma bed setup, whether it's work, camping, or just looking sharp, LasFit is 100% worth it. A hit like if your bed mat's been sliding too, drop your worst tailgate mod regrets in the comments. And subscribe for more honest Tacoma gear reviews. If you like that video, be sure to hit the subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. We'll see you next time. Smoky Mountain Taco, out.